Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve another lead code problem. It's called minimum number of steps to make two strings anagram. Just go through the question and I'll explain you. So yeah, two strings are called anagram if they have the same uh, exactly same letters. The order of the letters could be different, but those letters should be same. So in this question, first string s would be given to us, and we need to find out the number of steps in which we can make this string t an anagram of string s. Alright, so in the string in the first example we have the string tsaba. If we are going to replace a in this string with a b, in just one step we can make it anagram of the input string s bab. All right, so how we are going to do this? Yeah, so the solution would be pretty easy here. Once you understand this, we are going to use hashing for this very question. What we would do is that first we are gonna hash your string s, that is in the first example it's bab, right? So we are going to hash the characters present in the string s. Alright, and in the second iteration, I mean when we are iterating over t, we are gonna subtract the letters that are already present in the string s. So in that case, supposedly in the first string we have two b's, right? And in the second string when we will be traversing, we will encounter b, and we will, okay, let me just go through the iterations first and you will understand it clearly later. Okay, so yeah, uh, I just take a hash and we will first iterate over your string s. So this way we are counting the letters present in the string s first. Now we will iterate on our second string. Now here, as we encounter so let me just store it in temp. So here as we encounter a letter we will decrement this value, right? So in case we encounter a letter that is not present in s itself, that says that we need to consider this letter, I mean for replacement we definitely have to replace that letter. And for the letters that are repeating, the hash value will still remain positive, and once we have excess of letters this will become negative, and we will account those, start taking in account those letters for replacement, right? So we will take a variable count over here, and for every negative value we will increase this count, and finally we will return this count. This should be okay. Alright, there is some problem. Okay, alright. Syntax error. Alright, this won't work. It should be this. Right. This is going to be T. Yeah, so this works fine. Let me just submit it. So yeah, this is great. We are done with this problem. Thanks for watching the video. Leave a thumbs up. Thank you.